Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll delve deep into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate with a score of 3.88. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 0.66%. That means, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.33% since being classified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 46.81% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 33.68% and 60.82%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 96.64% change over the next year, with a potential return between 44.29% and 109.84%. This suggests a price range of $70.81 to $102.97 after 12 months. Our latest update on TQQQ reveals that on Tuesday, the TQQQ ETF price increased by 0.656%. The TQQQ ETF price experienced a gain of 0.656% on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. It rose from $48.75 to $49.07 and has seen consistent growth for the past 3 days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or takes a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a day low of $47.61 and a day high of $49.41, showcasing a 3.78% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -2.54%. Notably, the volume has increased alongside the price on the last trading day, indicating a positive technical sign. Additionally, there were 7 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 74 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.61 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $52.01, while the lowest price was $17.70. Presently, the price stands at 5.65% or $2.94 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 74.29% or $141.81 lower than the all-time high, which occurred on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Let's analyze the signals for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF shows promising signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, which further supports the buy signal. In case of downward corrections, there is expected support at $47.86 and $46.81. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. It's worth noting that the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that could potentially impact the short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -4.79% so far. It is anticipated that the stock may experience further decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands provide a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average gives a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages points to a buy signal 43 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's talk about the support levels for TQQQ. Currently, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $44.40 and $44.24. Support levels are important because if they are broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $44.40 is broken, the next support will be at $44.24 and $37.41. Now, let's consider the risk involved in trading this ETF. TQQQ has average movements during the day in good trading volume, making the risk medium. In the last day, the ETF moved $1.80 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.78% change. Over the past week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 3.52%. Now, let's talk about some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market is moving upwards, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $49.24. If you don't own any shares yet, it might be a good idea to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is moving downwards, TQQQ faces its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for buying the stock, as you can anticipate a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $46.50, which represents a decrease of 5.23%. This particular ETF experiences moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 8 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? We've analyzed several short-term signals, and it seems that the current trend for TQQQ ETF is positive. This indicates a potential buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected an overvaluation in the current price, based on volatility in recent movements. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 10th, we anticipate TQQQ to open with a decrease of $0.373, trading at $48.70. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis of your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We're excited to present our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.